In this example, I've selected a very basic spreadsheet, and I've basically got 4 cells. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the review, say protect spreadsheet, and we're going to type in a password, and we'll just retype that in. And you'll see that if I go here and try and type in a number like 5, then I get the note that the cell is protected. So what do you do if you have a spreadsheet like this and you've forgotten the password? Well, you can easily remove the password. I'm just about to show you how. I've saved this as book1xlsx, so I'll just make sure that's saved. And then we're going to go into our working directory, and we have to shut down the program first. So I'm just going to close out of Excel, and there we have book1xls. And I'm going to rename that, and I'm just going to name it to zip. Okay, so it's now a zip archive. Now, it seems strange to change this to a zip, but actually XLSX files are just really zip archives. I'm going to go to 7-zip, which is my favorite archive program. I'm going to go to my book 1, and I'm going to extract that. Whoop, select it and extract it, and say OK. So now we can minimize our zip program, and then in book 1 we end up with a whole bunch of different folders, but where we want to get to is we're going to go into Excel, and we're going to go into worksheets. And because this is actually sheet 1, this is the file, so we're just going to click on this and go edit, and I'm just going to shrink this up a little bit here so you can see it a bit better. So here we have our the basic. This is this open XLM format, and if we just read through this, we see, oh, there's our sheet protection, there's our password. We don't know what this password is because it's been encrypted and encoded here, but what we can do is simply go in and delete that. And now we're going to just close out of this, save the changes. Okay, now I'm going to start 7-zip back up. I'm going to go into book 1. I'm going to select all these documents, and I am going to add them to an archive. We'll call this one book2.zip, and we're not going to enter any encryption of our own. Click OK. There we have book2.zip. We're going to rename this file with the XLSX format, and now when we open this up, you can now see that if we go to type in a number, we still get the problem. But if we go to review and unprotect sheet, because there is no password on it, we can now remove the protection and type in the information we want, do all the changes. If we want to protect the sheet, once again we can enter a password, but that's one way of removing a password if you've forgotten it.